Ever struggle with washed-out TV colors in daylight? Annoyed by glare ruining your favorite shows? Frustrated with motion blur during action scenes? Wish your movies looked truly cinematic at home? Tired of laggy gaming visuals and dull sound? Streaming in HD but want sharper 4K clarity? Dreaming of a home theater that feels immersive? Meet the Samsung 77-inch OLED 4K S95D TV. Check the best price on Amazon with the link in the description. OLED glare. Free technology keeps colors vivid, day or night. No more distracting reflections or faded images. OLED HDR Pro delivers pure blacks, bright whites. Pantone-validated colors make every scene pop. Motion Accelerator 144 Hz means ultra-smooth visuals. Fast-paced games and sports look crisp, never blurry. Real Depth Enhancer adds lifelike dimension. Feel like you're inside the action, not just watching. Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus immerse you. Hear sound move with the on-screen action. 4K AI upscaling sharpens everything you watch. HD content instantly transformed to stunning 4K. Expert calibration ensures true-to-life colors. Every scene looks exactly as intended. Samsung Tizen OS gives instant access to apps. Stream, game, and control smart home devices easily. Alexa built-in for hands-free voice commands. Switch between streaming, gaming, and live TV fast. Multiple HDMI 2.1 ports for advanced connectivity. Connect consoles, soundbars, and more seamlessly. Ultra-slim design fits any modern living space. Minimalist look, maximum performance. Before, struggling with glare, blur, and flat sound. After, vivid colors, smooth motion, immersive audio. Before, HD streams look grainy and dull. After, AI-powered 4K upscaling for crystal clarity. Before, slow gaming response and laggy visuals. After, Motion Accelerator 144 Hz for seamless gameplay. Before, limited smart features and clunky controls. After, Tizen OS and Alexa for easy navigation. Before, basic sound, missing the cinematic feel. After, Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus. Before, TV blends into the background, uninspiring. After, ultra-slim, premium design stands out. Enjoy pure blacks and vivid colors every time. Watch sports, movies, and games with breathtaking detail. No more glare, just clear, vibrant entertainment. Experience depth and realism like never before. Sound follows the action for true immersion. Upscale all your favorite content to 4K sharpness. Gaming is fast, fluid, and lag-free. Access endless content with built-in streaming apps. Control your TV and smart home by voice. Connect all your devices with advanced ports. Enjoy expert-calibrated colors out of the box. Setup is quick and simple with Samsung Tizen OS. Upgrade your home theater with stunning OLED tech. Perfect for movie lovers, gamers, and streamers. Transform your living room into a premium cinema. See every detail, hear every moment, feel every scene. No more compromises, only breathtaking entertainment. Samsung's AI processor powers smarter viewing. Enjoy seamless streaming, gaming, and browsing. Eco-friendly design and robust security built in. Stay connected, protected, and entertained. Ready for the ultimate home entertainment upgrade? Make every movie night unforgettable. Bring your games to life with ultra-smooth action. Stream in stunning 4K clarity every time. Experience the Samsung 77-inch OLED S95D TV today. Step into a world of pure color and immersive sound. Upgrade your viewing, upgrade your life. Get yours now. Samsung OLED S95D, where home entertainment makes sense. Don't settle for less. Choose breathtaking quality. Ready to transform your home theater experience? Check the best price on Amazon with the link in the description now. Discover the difference with Samsung OLED technology. Your next binge watch, game, or movie deserves the best. Samsung 77-inch OLED S95D. See it, hear it, love it. Order today and enjoy the future of TV.